Welcome to Unveiling the Magic in the Mundane. Photography, at its heart, is about capturing light and transforming it into art. It's about finding beauty in the everyday and freezing moments in time. But who says you need expensive gear to create stunning photographs? Sometimes the most captivating images arise from the simplest tools, often found right within the walls of our homes. This isn't about expensive lenses or fancy studios, it's about rediscovering the joy of photography with everyday objects. We'll explore how a simple mirror can unlock a world of creative reflections, how a plastic bag can transform an ordinary scene into an abstract masterpiece, and how the warm glow of a lamp can sculpt light and shadow in captivating ways. Get ready to see your home, not just as a living space, but as a playground for photographic exploration. Unearth the hidden potential of ordinary objects and transform them into tools of artistic expression. Let's embark on this journey of discovery where imagination reigns supreme and the only limit is your creativity. Let's get started. Let's dive into mirror magic reflections of creativity. Mirrors, often relegated to bathrooms and hallways, possess an untapped potential for photographic artistry. Their ability to reflect light and create illusions opens up a world of creative possibilities. A simple mirror, strategically placed, can add an element of surprise to your compositions. Try placing a mirror on the ground, angled upwards, to capture a unique perspective of your subject. The reflection adds depth and intrigue, transforming an ordinary shot into something extraordinary. Experiment with different angles and reflections to find captivating compositions. Mirrors can also introduce an element of mystery to your photographs. By partially obscuring your lens or your subject, you can create intriguing reflections and play with light and shadow. Don't be afraid to experiment and break the rules of traditional composition. Remember, the beauty of using mirrors lies in their versatility. They can be used to create illusions, add depth, and introduce abstract elements into your photographs. So grab a mirror and start exploring the magic of reflections. Now let's move on to another unlikely hero of our photographic journey, the humble plastic bag. Often discarded without a second thought, plastic bags can be transformed into powerful tools for creating ethereal and dreamy effects in your photographs. The key lies in their translucent nature. By placing a plastic bag over your lens, you can diffuse the light entering the camera, creating a soft, hazy effect. Experiment with different colors and thicknesses of plastic bags to achieve varying levels of diffusion and color shifts. For a more abstract look, try crumpling the plastic bag before placing it over your lens. This will create unique patterns and textures in the final image, adding an element of unpredictability and artistry. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and experiment. The beauty of this technique lies in its simplicity and affordability. With just a plastic bag and a bit of creativity, you can transform your everyday snapshots into dreamlike masterpieces. So next time you're reaching for the trash can, consider the artistic potential hidden within that discarded plastic bag. Section 4. Light play, shaping light with household lamps. Light is the very essence of photography, and learning to manipulate it is crucial for creating compelling images. While professional lighting equipment can be expensive, you can achieve stunning results with something as simple as a household lamp. Lamps offer a warm, directional light source that can be used to create dramatic portraits or illuminate still life compositions. Experiment with positioning the lamp at different angles to your subject to observe how the light and shadows fall. For a softer, more diffused light, try draping a thin white sheet or a piece of parchment paper over the lampshade. This will create a more even spread of light, perfect for softening shadows and creating a flattering look for portraits. Don't limit yourself to just one lamp. Experiment with using multiple lamps of varying intensities and color temperatures to create different moods and effects. Remember, the possibilities are endless when you start playing with light. Section 5. Beyond the lens. Embracing resourcefulness and innovation. As we've explored throughout this journey, the essence of creative photography lies not in expensive equipment, but in the resourcefulness of the photographer. It's about seeing the potential in the ordinary and transforming the mundane into the magical. Don't be afraid to experiment with other household items. Use a colander to cast intriguing shadows, create a backdrop with patterned fabric, or use a spray bottle to add a touch of water droplets to your compositions. The key is to approach photography with a sense of playfulness and curiosity. Let your imagination run wild and don't be afraid to break the rules. Remember, the most important ingredient in any photograph is your unique vision and creativity. So, go forth and explore the world around you with fresh eyes. See the extraordinary in the ordinary and let your creativity shine through. Section 6, Conclusion. A universe of photographic possibilities awaits. As we conclude our exploration of snap magic, remember that the most important tool in your photographic arsenal is not your camera, but your imagination. The world around us is brimming with potential, waiting to be transformed into art. By embracing the principles of resourcefulness and experimentation, you can unlock a universe of photographic possibilities, all without breaking the bank. So, put down the credit card, step away from the gear lust, and rediscover the joy of photography with the simplest of tools. Remember, the most captivating photographs are often those that capture a moment, a feeling, or a story. And sometimes the most effective way to do that is by stripping away the complexities and embracing the elegance of simplicity. So go forth, armed with your camera and your boundless creativity, and capture the magic that surrounds you.